Hello guys, welcome to my new video. People are asking how do I add these buttons to my bracelets, and of course I already have a video where I'm talking about it, but that was the video where I was showing how do I add the button to a starburst bracelet, which is a big one. In this video I'm going to show you how do I add the button to these small bracelets. If you want to have a look how I do these triangle ends, you can have a look at my video, which is called 3 types of triangle ends. And there is a tutorial how I actually finish this bracelet. What is important here is that how long is your bracelet. I usually make the bracelets that will fit my wrist, even though I don't wear them. Here with this particular bracelet I wanted to finish this pattern like that. I didn't want to do like a half of that pattern and then just leave it unfinished, so I will have to add quite a material here. And what I actually do is I will finish these triangle ends, then I'll take the same cotton which I've actually used for the loop, and then what I'm going to do forward backward knots until some certain length where it fits my wrist. In this case it could be around 10 or 15 forward backward knots, so I'm going to do these forward backward knots right now. So this particular length, which I have here right now, that's exactly what I need. I've tested this with my wrist. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add this button there. And sometimes what I do, I use these cottons from this stack. And also sometimes what I do is that I will just use a separate cotton. That means I will just cut it. I will just add it to this needle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this button and I will just go. It's a button with the 2 holes, and I'll go like this. I'm going to take this button, which so far is not connected to it at all, and one cotton, which is this short one, is going to be on this side, and then another part of the cotton is actually in this needle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the end of this blue cotton. I'm going to just leave it there and I'll go underneath like that, and I will try to just put it here into this other hole like this. Okay, that's fantastic. So what you are left with at the moment is you already have a 1 turn around this ponytail here. This short cotton is still from this side, and this needle now will go into this other hole. Just make sure you don't touch any cottons. And you go like that. I actually pull this cotton from this side, pull this cotton from other side, so I will literally pull them like this. And now when they are pulled, I'll just check it from the other side if it's close to this blue one, and I'll just tighten it again. Fantastic. Okay, now I just lift it a little bit, and again I'll go from underneath, and I'll make sure I will try to avoid these other cottons, and again I'm going from the bottom here into this hole. That's fantastic. And then I'm going into this other one, and again I'm trying to avoid these cottons on the bottom. Okay, that's really great. And again I'm trying to take these two and just pull them, and also in the same time I will check here if it's close to this blue, as it should be. That's fantastic. also that the button is reasonably straight with this front part of the bracelet. Okay, so now it's done. I can just take the needle off. I don't need it anymore. Okay, now I can actually put them in this, let's say, ponytail. And again, I can take this blue cotton, which I was using for this other part. And again, I'm going forward backward knot. So I'll do forward part of the knot. And I'm trying to make sure that I will go really under that button, and I will just touch that orange, even I can cover it, it doesn't matter. And then I'll do backward part of the knot. I mean, this knot is very important because you need to just check if everything is okay down there, and for my personal taste it actually is. Great, forward backward knot again, forward backward, and again forward backward knot. What I'm trying to actually do here is I'm trying to do as many forward backward knots that I will just literally come at the beginning of this button from the other side. So far I've done like 3, it looks reasonable to me. Of course, because I've used the orange here, the orange will also show up on the bottom, but for me it absolutely doesn't matter. Again, I will do forward backward knot, forward and backward, and forward backward knot again. It looks like I will have to do probably like maybe 2 or 3 forward backward knots, maybe 2 more. And I'll do 1 more forward backward knot. Okay, fine, I think this one is absolutely great. Now I will cut maybe like 3 inches. Great, that's amazing. Now I will use the needle again, and I will try to get with this cotton, which I was just using now, here into this little eye. Okay, nice, so I've done that. And what I'm going to do now is I will actually just maybe 1 millimeter away from the edge, I will try to put a needle there under the angle. And it's very important for me that I will get out here in the middle. So you will not get out into the blue, but you will get out into the middle where are those cottons. And of course, never push the needle against your own hand. Okay, that's great. Also be careful that this cotton is not going over the button, but it's just going here, like this. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to do. I don't need a needle anymore. I can just leave it like this. Now I'm going to take this cotton, I'm gonna put my hand here and I'm going to pull it properly. Okay, that's really great. I'm just going to push it like that and pull it again. Push it like that, pull it again, and it's all done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the scissors. I'm going to cut it like this, exactly on this edge here, but I'm not going to do it on a camera because I need to really concentrate on that. And then I'm going to add some little wood glue there and the bracelet will be done. So I'm going to show you the result after I cut it. So this is how it looks after I done the cut, and I just have a little bit of wood glue here, just the ordinary wood glue, and I'm just going to tap it here on the top, and just to make sure that it is there. Now I'll get rid of this excess, and I will try to make sure that it is just nice and it looks good, and I will make sure that the cotton will just not untangle itself for no reason. Yeah, and it is done. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and good luck with your bracelets and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.